that case. Let me call you back. What the hell is she doing? Why is she beating this poor innocent boy? Madam! Madam! Come here. Come here. Why are you hitting such a poor little boy like this?
Madam, now you're picking.
And why is he carrying this heavy load?
What's it concern you for this?
Look, he doesn't need to be my child before I intervene. This is child abuse. What is your problem? Yes.
Madam, come on there. This speaking don't they carry waiting every past this one before. So waiting be your business for this
child one? Should be in school and not carrying heavy load for you while you walk majestically on the street.
Somewhere. Don't raise that thing up like this. Raise it up like
Madam, do you realize that I could have you arrested for this? This is an offense.
Arrest for which?
Oh, you think I'm bluffing?
Hey,
you think I'm bluffing?
Arrest me for what now? Give me a second. You Samuel, this woman not go save you. I go beat you today. I'll so beat you.
I'll advise you to take that load off that poor child before I call the police on you.
Police? Now today we dey see police. So you call police now. Now you dey talk. Because you just order for
you really think I'm bluffing? All right.
Samuel, hold that. Hold it like this. Call the police. Let me see. Which police? Now today we dey see police. Make police come now. We dey here. Ha! What's up?
Move it! Move it,
Madam, I beg.
I say move it!
Move it!
You're wasting our time.
If they carry that kind of load,
Madam, remain silent and move it!
They talk.
Move it, my friend!
Madam!
I say move, let's go!
God,
you are wasting our time. You have to remain silent before we maltreating you.
Congratulations, ma, for winning the case for Master Samuel. Now that the case is over, what are your plans for the little orphan boy?
Well, it's not in my place to make that decision without getting the consent from his relatives. Although he's an orphan, but he still comes from somewhere. After I reach out to his relatives, whatever they decide will determine my next line of action.
Okay, well said, ma. What advice or information would you like to pass to the public concerning child abuse and child welfare?
The abuse of a child is a societal ill. Children are a blessing from God. They are our treasure, so we need to take proper care of them. Every child deserves a better life. Whether they are your biological child or adopted, they need to be properly taken care of. The case of Master Samuel is quite unfortunate. That poor 12-year-old boy lost both parents to an auto crash when he was barely 5. His guardian, who happens to be a relative of his late mom, promised to take care of him by bringing him to Lagos, only for her to subject him to unnecessary hard work and constant physical abuse. That is punishable by law.
So Ma, you guys are adopting now?
Thank you. I know the two old, you know me. I beg, I will soon pay this money. Please. I promise I go pay, and within few months I go pay.
It's okay. Which kind of stupid promise do they promise? Should I promise I take they take more block? I mean now promise I take build my house.
I know say no promise. But now because work no day for now. But things they come up soon and they beg you. I see, at least because of this children. Alright, you get fever. You get high fever.
Nothing concern me, concern you and your children. If you like, make it sick. Because wait, you know say you know if you take care of them. Why you drive them come this world to come suffer?
No be me, now God bring them. Lord, please. Should I not be more?
Anyway. No.
Thanks.
My children is quite different from your own children.
I agree, sir.
Anyway, I will consider it because of them, because of the children.
Thank you, sir.
Make no talk say you are too wicked. But I'm giving you just 1 month. After 1 month, I don't see my money.
No problem, you see it.
Consider yourself back. Sharp, sharp.
I will get it. I'll get it. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Every child deserves better life. Every child deserves better life. Children are blessings. They are our treasure.
Failure to provide any child with their basic needs, that I also consider as an infringement of their fundamental human rights. Parents and guardians should have regard to the evolving capacities and the best interests of.
Hey God, please, I beg, oh, help me. Send me helper, give me a job. Make I fit take care of my family. God, I beg.
Bayo,
Ojo,
what's happen? I'll just sit down like this. Don't start if you're working.
no be person wey get work dem dey sack. I never work now, you don reach 1 year.
Really?
Oh, Baba, this country don tire me.
Well, you know days is you know if you lie, everything just start pursuing, no work, nothing, just
Right.
So which kind of work you want to do now?
Joe, which kind of work? Any iṣẹ́, bricklayer, salesman, houseboy, anyone, machine now.
Okay,
Now to take care of my family, they talk about which kind of work.
Bayo, and you believe all this work you mentioned and say if you do everything.
Kí ló ṣe mí, ṣé mo rọ lápá ni?
Oh, say roll up, I want to call it.
Any work I fit do, Baba.
And besides, you know my guy, Kunle, no Kunle now.
Kunle wey dey for that.
Kunle, he called me 2 days ago, say they need security agency for their work.
Baba na mi o.
Calm down, I thought say na you.
Baba na mi, Baba mi ni mo níṣẹ́ yẹn Ọlọ́run.
Now you waiting, ní sùúrù. Now you waiting. Every time I must go, I will call him. But this happen say, I will call him immediately.
Call am now, abeg.
Calm down, no be call him now.
Wait, Kunle sing, call him now.
Oh, they calm down in the place. You know, say Kunle go dey work now. Now in the evening I go see and call. Who be now? I go you call her, no worry.
I go flash you for evening. I no get credit, I go flash you.
I go call her. I mean, see what you tell me, I will let you know. No worry. Now you get the job now. Since you don't believe, say now you get the job. No worry. Now you get time now. No worry.
You remember call am.
I will remember.
You say I get ready for phone, I for call you. Call am.
I will remember.
But I will flash you.
No problem. Oh, I want to reach that Okweki with that side. I want to see that babe. I'm not man. I don't want to use a pastime. I think God you are on bed.
I better not forget you.
So, my guy, I dey come. You see me now, Alright.
Daddy, I
Speak up now, what is high?
Where
do you think you are going to? If I go back inside and remove this uniform.
Daddy, please.
Haven't I told you that you will not be going to school again?
Daddy, please. I've skipped school for a long time now. I'm supposed to be done with secondary school. Daddy, please don't stop me from going to school. Please.
Elizabeth, are you challenging me? You're just like your mother. So disrespectful. Elizabeth, I am going out now. By the time I return and I don't meet you at home, you will hate me.
Daddy, please.
Every child deserves better life. Every child deserves better life.
Don't you have any relatives? I mean, your mom's sister or your dad's brother or anybody?
I don't know. I don't have anybody. It's just my dad. I don't have anybody.
But this maltreat is too much. I mean, how will a father be maltreating his daughter like this?
I don't know. I'm tired. People stop me from going to school. I have to sneak out. I'm tired. I don't know.
But do you know, why don't you just run away? I mean, just go away so that I can't find you again.
Run away. I cannot run away. Oh, my dad will kill me. I cannot run away.
If you run away, how will he find you?
He will find me. He will kill me. I cannot run away. I'm scared.
See, I have an auntie that stays in Delta. You can just go to her place. I'll speak to her.
I cannot run away. My dad will find me. He will kill me. He will kill me. I cannot run away.
How will he find you there?
He will kill me. He will kill me. Tired.
But you can't continue to bear this pain alone now. It's too much for you.
Tired.
Oh wait though. Why don't we report to the police?
Report to the police?
No.
No. I cannot report to the police. I cannot report to the police. My dad will kill me. Find out.
I don't know. I don't know what to say again. I don't know what to even do again like this.
I can see that. Your mother's wicked. Disobeyed me. You no longer have the guts. You no longer have the guts. Is that your evil blood? Mother's evil blood. That is I'll deal with you. I'll deal with you. Is it that your friend? I don't care.
Look, I will make sure he pays dearly for what he did to you. He will definitely go to jail. That's a promise, okay? He will not go scot-free. Stop crying, my love. Stop. Don't worry. Don't worry. I have it covered. Don't worry. Stop crying. Everything is going to be fine. I will take it up. I've already reported to the police and we'll take it up from there, okay? He will not go scot-free. That's a promise. What he did to you was totally wrong and he will pay for it, okay? Please, stop crying. Stop crying, my dear. Stop crying. Everything will be under control. I have it covered. That's a promise. Look at me. I promise you we will handle this. Alright? He will not go scot-free. Okay? You're the brother, right? Yes, ma'am. Please, I need you to pull yourself together. You can't be crying. If you cry, what do you expect your sister to do? You're older than her, aren't you? Yes. I'm so sorry. Sorry, my love. Everything will be fine. I will take you to the hospital right away for proper checkup and treatment. Okay? Let's go. Where are your parents?
They are late.
They are late. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. All right, let's go to the hospital, okay?
What a selfless woman you are. What could I've done without you?
Please go. My dad will see you. My dad will see you.
He's not around. He's not around. They passed through the back door.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. Oh my God, see your body. Too much. Sorry.
Run away to where?
To Mantis place in Delta.
I can't leave my dad. I can't run away.
So you want to continue collecting this beating up? Too much. Sorry. Too much.
I don't know why he hates me so much. I don't know what I did. He was not my father.
It's wicked. It's evil.
Daddy. I wish my mom was still alive.
Children are blessings, they are treasure. Children are gift from God. Stop child abuse. Oh, mama, parents, guidance, everybody. Be careful.
Don't put the water. Give a letter word.
Parents, guidance, everybody. Be careful.
Good morning, Ma.
Good morning, Ma.
Good morning, ma.
Who are you and why are you washing my car?
Oh, my name is Adebayo. I'm the new Megad.
Security, you mean?
Yes.
Oh, yes. I remember you from last night. You opened the gates for me, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So you're the one Kunle sent?
Correct, ma'am.
I see. And who are these?
Oh, these are my children. So I just said, let's quickly join hands together, wash the car so that by the time you come out, I'll just clean the inside.
What? Are you trying to tell me that you allowed these little kids wash this car? These kids should be in school and not washing cars. Why? Why are they not in school? Mr. Bayo, this should be the first and last time I catch these kids washing any car in this compound again. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I do not want to see them being subjected to any form of hard work. It's not allowed. It's their right to be in school at this time. Understood?
Understood, ma'am.
Clean this up so I can get to work. Hey, little one, don't touch it.
Children are blessings from the Lord. They are the beauty of homes. We should take good care of them. We should take good care of them. Cause every child deserves a better life. Whether yours or not yours. Children are blessings. They are our treasure.
Chai, I don't talk more. Hey, I know say I don't dey see this woman for television. And she be that children lawyer. We dey take care of children. We dey talk about plenty things.
A gift from God. Stop child abuse.
See children wey suppose dey school by now. They just sit down for here and they follow me do gate man. God, I beg, please. Can I get money send these children go school?
Daddy, I'm hungry.
Me too.
You're hungry? You have veg buying. Who is that? Come. Yola.
How are you?
How are you?
How are you, Sophie?
How are you now? Come. Sit down now. Sit down.
Eh? So now where you walk now?
Where they walk? Put that the yard by hello.
Really fine.
Fine. This one that we saw you today like this.
I said we can come greet you people. I even do.
You brought food? Children, say thank you to your auntie.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh yeah. Go and eat inside. Keep some for me, oh.
Fine choosing.
Very fine. You still know now?
I do.
How you come in?
Bisola, are you one bear now? You told Ariel, yeah.
Nothing.
Go. Welcome, ma.
Thank you very much. How are you?
Fine, ma. Welcome.
There is something I would like to speak to you about.
Oh, no problem, ma.
No, not at all. I'm sorry to pry. I mean, I don't like to get involved in people's personal affairs, but I'm kind of concerned about you, especially because of your kids.
Kids again? What did I do now?
You know what? Just come in with me. Let's go, please. Mr. Mayo, for the past few weeks you've been working here, I've noticed that your kids do not go to school. I mean, I see them playing around during school hours. And I've been wondering, why would you allow that to happen?
Madam, no vex. I've been warning these children. Make them know they can't play, especially in front of your door. I don't tell them, they will not do it again, madam. No vex.
That's not what I mean. I mean, they're kids and you can't stop kids from playing. What I'm asking is, what is the reason? Why don't you send them to school?
Madam, I just start this job. So I dey try save money. At least make I work for 6 months first. So I go save money, then I go send them go school. I know say government school dey, but e far from where we dey stay. But once I work, I get money, they go
So
school.
you're saying the reason they are not in school is because of money?
Money.
And what about your wife? Their mother?
Their mother don't die.
Oh my God, I am so sorry. I had no idea. So sorry.
Yeah. Only me.
Mr. Bayo, if you don't mind, can you tell me your story? Please have a seat. Yes.
So me and their mama, we be boyfriend and girlfriend. We dey date together. And then she first born the first pikin for me. We dey together. She born the second one. And that time I come say, okay, make I go meet her parents, make her pay bride price. So as I won't go arrange, begin pay the bride price, I lose my job.
You lost your job?
Yes.
Why?
I work for printing press. The company fold up. And that time all this social media start, so nobody dey read newspaper again like that. So I know if you can't go pay the bride price again now, so they see as I go take hustle. Now one of my friends tell me about Russia, say that they work for Russia.
Russia?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
So we can't hustle now. I hustle, carry money, pay. I go to Russia, but we see they talk. We dey relate. They check on her, they send small money once in a while. You know. Before I know them, they come arrest me for Russia. For something where I don't know. Arrest me. When they release me now, they send money and they talk to her. She can't fall sick. All my life savings, now I can't carry. Give them. It's okay. I don't want to make anything happen to her. But she die. She still die. So I come back now. Say, okay, my children. I have people say, I don't know if you take my children except I marry her.
What?
I say, marry person we don't die. It's not their tradition.
That's barbaric.
I don't even know that one, but they say I must marry her. And I will do anything for my children.
Oh my God.
So then why?
I'm so sorry, Mr. Bayo. Your story is so pathetic. I don't even know what to say. You have been through a lot, and I honestly sympathize with you.
Alright, they do this work. I will still send them to school. They no go disturb you again.
Don't worry. Don't worry about it. I'm really sorry. Really, really sorry.
Thank you, man.
You're a strong man. Keep being strong, okay?
Thank you, man.
You can go now. Don't worry about it.
Thank you.
Bayo?
Huh?
Lest I forget, I got your kids some stuff. You know, clothes, shoes, bags, toiletries, and toys they can play around with.
Oh. Thank you.
That's fine. That's fine.
Thank you. God
It's
bless
fine.
you.
It's okay. They're in the trunk of my car, so just you can give it to them and then return the key to me.
What a selfless woman you are. What could I done without you? You were such an angel, saved from above. Your type is rare. Your sacrifice to humanity is awesome. Your type is rare. You are one in a million. looking for your kind heart, a woman of substance. I don't know where to start. I don't know where to
Wallahi, ṣé gbogbo nǹkan tó ti ṣe láti ìgbà tí ìyá ẹ̀ ti kú, I really appreciate it. Everything. And you have been there. So, mi ò lè sọ pé mi ò rí. I know everything that you have done for me.
So you don't need to worry yourself. What are things for? Mr. Bayo.
What? Welcome, ma.
Good evening.
Yes, ma'am.
I was looking for you everywhere. I'm sorry, I didn't know you have a guest.
No.
I wanted to see you.
No, ma. This my friend from my former yard, Bisola.
Good evening, ma. Hi.
She's even going now.
No. You don't have to discharge her because of me. What I wanted to see you for is not very urgent. So when you're done with her, you can come see me. Okay?
Okay, ma.
All right.
Okay, ma. Mama, look.
Just like the people, man.
Come fast. Mama, look. What does she want me for now? Maybe this Bisola girl. Bisola ò ní kó bá mi.
Come in, the door is open. Mr. Bayo, please have a seat.
Ma?
Have a seat.
No.
No, it's fine. I insist.
No, I'm okay.
Please sit. That's fine. Great. What can I offer you?
Ma? No, I'm okay, ma.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma.
Please feel free.
I'm free.
You're free. All right, that's fine. Let me not take too much of your time. I understand you're trying your best to take care of yourself and your family. I see the efforts you put in and I'm impressed. I really admire your hustling spirit. For this reason, I would like to support you by sending your kids to school, if you don't mind.
Ma?
I'd like to send your kids to school.
Madam?
Yes.
I want to send my kids to school.
No, don't do that. Please get up.
No, ma.
Please get
up. If I must put my head on the floor, I will put my head on the floor.
Stop it. Stop being overly dramatic. Just get up. Get up. Get up. You don't have to kneel for me. I'm not God.
Ma. Madam, God bless you.
It's fine. It's
bless
fine. This is what I do. Every child deserves a better life. Okay?
You will never lack in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Everything you lay your hand upon will prosper.
Amen.
Everything that you want, you will get.
It's fine. Amen. It's fine. It's fine, okay? Just pick your cap and you can leave. It's fine. Mr. Bayo, you are one drama king. You can leave now.
What a selfless woman you are. What could I do?
Mr. Bayo, can you stop this? No. Are you serious? It's
sent from above. Your type is red.
How many times have I warned you to always separate the bright clothes from the black ones? How many times?
Children are blessings, they are treasure. Children are gift from God. Stop child abuse. Oh, mama, parents, guide us. Everybody, be careful. Stop abusing children. Oh, mama, parents, guide us. Everybody. careful.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, how are you?
Fine.
Bayo, I invited you here to tell you that our foundation will be having an outreach in 3 days.
Oh, okay.
And I want you and your kids to be a part of it.
Oh.
Yeah. It's in 3 days, which happens to be a Saturday, so your kids will not be going to school.
Yes, ma'am.
I also have a project I'd like you to handle.
Oh, okay.
Yes, you told me you once worked at a printing press, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I want you to be in charge of printing the t-shirts.
Ah.
Yeah. Yeah. Here you go. Writing on every t-shirt.
Every child deserves a better life.
Exactly. You're sure you can do this?
100%.
So you do your costume and send it to me with your account.
Alright.
I'll be waiting.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ báwo ló ṣe ní ṣe ẹ́? Ẹ́? Ṣé o ti lo oògùn?
I never take.
Why? Àpárẹ̀ ò lọ́nà.
Na for head, they do me. I dey get headache.
Pẹ̀lẹ́. Make I go help you buy drug. That one na like malaria or be typhoid o. Make I go help you buy drug.
No, never go. Just stay here small.
But you need to take drug now.
Just stay, just cuddle me small. Maybe
Kí ló ń
you
ṣe?
stay small now.
Kai, ṣọmọdé ni ẹni. Which one be cuddle you small?
Why you do like this? Very well.
Ara ẹ ti yá.
Oh, don't worry, just stay small like this. Your presence will make me feel better.
Èmi ẹ jẹ́ bí Holy Spirit. Oh, serious, ara ẹ ti yá.
Why you do like this now?
Wo, bí o rọ́jà tálé ni àbí?
Just stay.
Ó tún máa lọ bí ejò. Kúrò lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi.
What do you do now? Why you do like this?
Wo Bísọ́lá.
Wọ́n lè fojú sọ́run fara tán gbogbo
Náà
ẹ̀kọ́ ṣe.
Worry, item 7 is on the way. Okay, so today I am very excited. Ladies, gentlemen, and of course, children, I am here to officially welcome you to this year's edition of Harmony's Children Home Outreach. A round of applause, please. So today we're here to listen and learn about the social and economic outcome of child abuse. Who can tell me what child abuse is? Anyone? No one. Okay, Mr. Bayo, what is child abuse?
Child abuse is when you don't treat children very well. You don't give them food, you beat them, you make them wash car at a young age.
Fantastic. A round of applause for Mr. Bayo. Did you hear what he said? Child abuse is when you don't treat children well. Child abuse is very, very bad. As a matter of fact, it's a criminal offense. So if you see anybody abusing a child, what do? You report. Our number is on this banner. When we're done with this segment, you have to copy the number down so that when you see anybody abusing a child, you put a call through to us any time of the day, morning to night. We're available to pick up your calls. It is a very bad thing in the society for you to abuse a child. And that's why you have us here. We're here to take care of you children. We'll give you a better life because every child deserves a better life. If you see a child, a friend, a neighbor, a sister, a cousin, whoever the person is to you, once you see that he's being abused, he or she is being abused, you report. If you see something, you say something. What did I say?
Say something. Sorosoke.
Yes, Sorosoke. Let's say it. Sorosoke. Good.
Thank you for your kind heart. A woman
and I was trying to help her.
I don't understand. So now what thing they do with people children be this? I catch you! Now what thing they do with people children?
What did I do wrong? She fell down and I decided to help her. How am I
English! Speak away! Speak am! You think say na all this one wey dey do children sanitization abi sensi wetin? You think I don't know wetin they do? Now wetin they use people children do? Your cup don full. If you like children as you dey portray, dey show everybody say you like children, why you no go born your own? You dey do children show everywhere. If you really like children, why you no born your own? Go find man, born your own pikin.
Hello, Daddy. What's up? What's going on? Are we done here?
Yes.
Is everything okay?
Yes.
Okay. Madam, I hope you're okay. Bye.
Bisola, wetin dey do? Na you do me this one, abi? Na you do me this one after you go call yourself my friend. You dey ask me wetin happen, you no know wetin you do. You send me go disgrace myself for public of Igwe Madu. Go disgrace myself.
I no know wetin dey talk now. Na wetin happen na me you tell me. What is it?
Why you tell me say that woman never marry?
You never marry now.
You never marry. Person wey come there. Hey, God. I open her as I take fine reach today. That's why I say I still borrow clothes, make her fine, make her make sense. I reach there go pour myself for grand.
Cynthia, that woman never marry. I know wetin I dey talk.
Person wey I come me, I just dey where I wan finish am like this. One, my scatter am as stay plan. Na him too small children just go and come like this, call am mommy. I still say that one no reach. Na my bobo wey I dey eye. Fine boy, just come, call am baby.
Cynthia, abeg. The bobo wey you talk. Describe the bobo. How the bobo look?
Bobo wey I see for. The bobo tall, come fine, come yellow, come still get pink lips, get broad shoulder. Hell.
Na my Bayo be that. Na Bayo be that.
That's it. Hey,
Bayo. See, thank you. I really appreciate. You go, no worry. Me and you go, sir.
I don't understand. Give me my balance, Jare.
Well, I say I go do transfer for you now.
Which kind transfer? You forget saying I borrow picking what carry go there. Well, go use do karamo.
See.
I don't return and I tell you man say I go bring balance, can't give am. Now inside this money I won't give am.
Cynthia, calm down. I say I go do transfer for you. Why your body dey hot like this?
When are they come from me, sir? I no pay transport me. Give me money or do am now. Do am.
I want for you.
Do am make I see the alert now.
You don't reach money matter now, so your eye go dey shoot.
You no go shoot.
Abeg, call your account number.
90 make I dey see am.
Thank you very much, ma, for today. I really had fun.
Me too. I also enjoyed, especially the ice cream.
Isn't he so cute?
Oh, yeah, both of you
All
go
right.
inside.
Good night. You are so blessed to have these beautiful kids.
Madam, it's God. Oh. Thank God.
Yes, it's God, but we also have to give you credit. You raised them well. Well done.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
You know, I must thank you for saving me today. I almost burst into tears when that lady was saying all those hurtful things to me. You and your kids came in right on time. Thank you.
You need to thank me, ma. I was happy to do it. I was doing my job.
Right. Thank you. Just help me with the...
Okay, the bag.
Yes, please.
You have touched so many lives. You gave hope to the hopeless. You're my lifesaver. God giver. You're my lifesaver. God giver.
Sorry, ma.
Is there a problem?
There's something that I want to.
Bayo, pick your call.
It's something.
Are you sure you're not going to take that?
I'll call back.
Hey! What? Come to Shelly.
It's not like it's in my place.
I think you should take the call.
Bayo, pick your call. Pick your call.
Are you sure you don't want to take that?
No, ma.
Alright, I'm all ears.
Hey. It shouldn't be what I'm thinking. It shouldn't be what I'm thinking.
No. Why are you not married? Sorry, man. No, I didn't mean to vex you.
No, I'm not vexed. The thing is, I was once married.
Oh.
But I got divorced.
Why?
I got married when I had just graduated from law school. Then I decided to pursue my career proper. And my then husband, instead of being supportive, he was jealous and envious of my success. Yes. He was a secondary school teacher at the time and I was earning more than him. Although I didn't mind because I loved him. I loved him so much, so it wasn't a big deal. But he was just one year into our marriage. He began to assault me physically. He would hit me at the slightest provocation. In fact, the police station became our second home. We were always in and out. And then I got pregnant. I thought he was going to change. I thought he was never going to hit me with my pregnancy. But I was wrong. He became worse. He became a beast. He hit me to the point I started bleeding.
What if you lose the pregnancy?
I bled so much. But luckily for me, my child survived the beating.
Oh.
I wish I could say thank God too, because she died the next day. She was very healthy the night I gave birth to her. So healthy, so beautiful. But then I was weak. I was so tired. I lost a lot of blood and I was being transfused. I heard my baby crying, but I couldn't do much. I couldn't even attend to her because I was too tired. The next day, I woke up to see the lifeless body of my baby girl
I almost ran mad. And then that was when we actually went for the divorce. He served me the divorce papers and I obliged because I was done. I was tired, I was frustrated, I signed it. And I told him to get out of my life for good. That's my story.
Your story is very painful, oh. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, man.
Thank you. Thank you, Baya. I'm fine. I mean, I'm laughing about it now, right? I'm strong, I'm good. Thank you.
Sorry.
I have a headache, so I should go upstairs and get some medication.
Okay. Good night, man.
Good night.
Bayo. Stop it. This thing they do me now. She not love having a Chris. You know, call it work. Even though I fall in love with this woman, which she won't use person like me do. School I no go, money I no get. I no even reach her ex-husband. I beg. But that ex-husband, I idiot. Ulushi. See fine woman where they take play. Oh, Bisola, not now. Madam, are you okay? Madam, are you fine?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm okay.
Okay.
Wait. I made some food and I know I won't be able to finish it, so I decided to make some for myself and your kids.
Madam, thank you so much. Thank you so much. God bless you. Let me.
Oh, yes.
I'll just keep it here, then I'll take finish. Thank you.
Yes.
Sorry.
What a selfless woman you are. What could I done without you? You were such an angel. Say from above, your type is rare. Your sacrifice to humanity is awesome. Your type is rare.
Yeah, now where is this guy? Yes. Oh, Bayo, come in.
Thank you, ma. Ma, the children they really enjoy the food. Thank you so much.
I'm glad you liked it. Why is this guy not moving? You can sit. You can have a seat.
Okay.
Go! Go here now! Hi! This guy is why is slow? Why are you staring at me like that?
Madam, you dey watch ball?
Yes now. Don't go there. I watch football very much. It's actually one of my favorite sports.
I surprised you. A woman they watch ball like this.
No, I love ball. I don't play with football. You know, back then in school, I used to be the captain of my team. Yes.
Wow.
Come!
That
was really close. That was so close. Yeah, there was this time in secondary school that they organized an inter-school sport.
Okay.
And I played for my team. Guess what? I scored 4 goals against the other team. And they had 0. Yes.
No, you be Maradona.
Yeah, we won the match. In fact, we won the cup. Okay, yes, let's go. Free kick. These guys are following my hand. So what about you? Do you love football?
I love football. Just I don't play.
Oh, you don't play?
No, I don't
you're
play.
missing. Oh, you're really missing. What club do you support?
Chelsea.
Chelsea that we beat 2-0 on the last match.
Madam, you are Real Madrid.
Yes, proudly Real Madrid.
Madam, don't worry. Now, next one we will beat you.
In which dream?
No, we'll beat you now.
You want to bet?
Madam, no go bet.
You
You go lose money.
Bet your salary. Bet your salary. Tell me now so I can write it.
No, maybe we not talk about salary, but madam, no bet. You go lose. You don't say our lineup.
Where who dey your lineup?
Mama Deo, Enzo Deo.
I beg you. Do you know who's on my lineup? Modric, Bellion, Vinicius. Stop playing. Are we? See, don't allow me to, like, your salary.
No go bet for outside.
Bet your salary now. So you think Vinicius will be on field and they will?
Bisola, I've told you to leave this Bayo guy alone. Leave him alone. See, Nancy, I cannot leave Bayo alone. I cannot leave Bayo alone. I love Bayo a lot. I can't leave him alone. I can't.
Obviously, this guy does not love you as much as you love him. He does not love you. So get used to it and move on.
Move on. So the some person they move on. Move on, go where it's safe. I've always loved Bayo, Nancy. Maybe today the journey start. It has been very, very long time. I love Bayo a lot. You see, that man is so caring. He's so handsome. And he's my spec.
He's your spec. Are you his spec?
Yes. I'm very sure I'm his spec. The only thing is that he doesn't notice it. And I'm sure it is that his madam. That woman likes Bayo a lot. She's the one distracting him. So wait till make it laugh now.
Why I no go laugh? Are you listening to yourself? You and that woman, are you on the same level? It's obvious that Bayo want to go for the bigger fish.
Nancy, wait. See, just wait there. Are you trying to insult me? Are you insulting me?
I'm not insulting you. But you to check him now. This guy don't feel reason waiting if he get if he follow that woman.
I beg, stop that thing. My own Bayo not be that kind of person. I know Bayo very well. He's not a man that can easily be distracted by material things. I know. He always go for what he wants.
Obviously, that thing that you want is not you. So go and relax.
Okay. It's time to go. Come they go. As no one will stay my side as my friend. I don't know which person side today.
That is why I'm advising you as a good friend. Bayo does not love you, so move on.
If you don't talk finish, sure, you will go to your house.
Haba, you don't divest. You don't even offer me any drink.
The only drink kill you there.
Mrs. Bayo, I want to withdraw 5K. I mean, you don't want to do business again.
Shall bring her. Everything. You know, I didn't even surprised that you won't withdraw 5K to then there are 2K they withdraw. Make I charge.
Madam, withdraw. No add charges. Remove charges. As a friend now. Friend benefits.
Friend benefits.
You know, but our only prayer is say for all this while, all this problem, just impress on us about making all reach our side though. Because only this week alone, this makes that they recount some of the negative bad things where happen, you know.
Who that?
But
Bibi.
Bayo.
Wow.
I'm fine.
son where is there outside?
Hey, I sent my children go buy something, so I wait for them.
Okay.
How your body now?
I didn't find Jarius. You not cook on see me since.
Oh, the beginning. Oh, the beginning. It's work.
Work.
I say, check Bobby.
I even they call you, no pick your call. All the call, why they call you? No one like this way you pick, and you no call me back.
Now work.
Work. You sure say now work? I be they avoid me.
Avoid you breaking. I go avoid you. I like Johnny. My rebel, but it did the child. Soon.
Bayo, this your madam. I don't understand what thing they happen. You should say 12 na never the wrong package.
You are wrong. Package, bawo. My helper, a nice woman. I don't want to allow.
So me, I know nice to you. I be me, I know the head.
You be nice woman. You be nice woman. I dey even find how I go to repay you, sef. I never see.
You should.
One man. My mother will soon come.
Just like that.
Just like that. Mama, Joe. Then I still need to go and cook for my children.
You mean make a deal? Okay.
Ṣé mo Yorùbá ni?
Bayo.
O ṣé gan.
Honestly, there are a lot of things to be thankful for. There are a lot of things
to be
grateful
like
for.
this
There are a lot
one.
of things to just say, Bob, God, thank you. Say you saved me. You understand? Many things like that. But of course, the weekend is upon us. As I talk to you, as some people they do the plans or kind of things based on something they happy. Some people now they plan better things for tomorrow. For instance, wedding day tomorrow, and I don't see that.
So fear, Mama, but you're always hungry. Don't worry, I've sent your brother to buy chin chin for you. You chin chin, have you? Chin chin. See, your hair is fine, no? Cinderella. Did
Daddy, a man at gate gave me this.
Which man?
Just give me at gate for Auntie Harmony.
For Auntie Harmony. And you don't even know the man. I've told you, don't be collecting things from someone you don't know now. You're able to go and eat chin chin. Eat chin chin and drink water, yeah?
What? This is madness. They are inviting me in for questioning? Can you imagine? Who is feeding them such... Hello? What? Protest? You know what? Let me just call you back, please. Let me check. Oh my God, what exactly is happening?
Is everything okay?
No, everything is obviously not fine. Oh my God. Why are they doing this? What is the meaning of this? Why? What did I... Can you imagine this? Where am I supposed to...
Harmony must go. Harmony must go.
Loud.
Harmony must go. Harmony must go. Harmony must go. Harmony must go. Harmony must go.
Say it loud.
Harmony must go.
Yeah,
Harmony must go.
Loud.
Harmony must go. 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 Harmony must go.
Children do me. Don't be busy with that. Maybe I should call her. No call her. Really sure I'll phone. I'll go meet her face to face. We go talk. Isola. Don't say you never go wrong one evil package. An easy fuel.
Is this an arrest?
No, of course not. If it were, you would be in handcuffs, and we wouldn't have sent you a courtesy letter.
Courtesy? Yet you bring me into an interrogation room. What happened to your office?
I'm so sorry, ma'am. I sincerely apologize. Renovations are ongoing, or would you rather we go to...
Why am I here?
You're here to answer a few questions. Barrister Amoni, rumors have it that you're...
Rumors? You're interrogating me based on rumors? Wow.
Calm down. We're just trying to make sure that they are mere rumors and not facts.
What exactly do you want to know, detective?
There's a strong accusation against you that kids have been disappearing from your orphanage.
That's crazy. Nothing of such has ever happened.
Barrister Amoni, it's just the both of us in here. Although everything and every conversation is being recorded, so you need to be honest with me and tell me everything I need to know. Is it true?
Bisola. Bisola.
Bayo.
Bisola.
What's happened? This all your face be like this. What's happened?
Bisola. That protest.
Which protest be that?
No, the why make don't share. Mori Embe now.
I don't know what you talk.
Bisola. Bisola, this one where you know they look me. Ha. Omo wala to ti da fún rẹ. Ha.
Which wahala? Tell me now, which wahala? You know since when I don't dey on top of your matter for years now. That one just come from nowhere, come scatter everything.
Scatter wetin? What is the talk?
Scatter our relationship. Bayo, see. Bayo, I love you. I care so much about you. Now wetin make I dey do all those things I'm doing to support you and the children. But before you dey get my time, now you no come dey get my time again. Every time I go dey call you, you no go pick. You go say you busy, go say you busy. And no be today this thing starts. I don dey love you since, even before your wife die.
Eh? Kí ló sọ ní before my wife die? Ah, so gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe yìí na because of your own ulterior motive. You don't come involve innocent woman.
Abeg, you no innocent anything. You no innocent anything. That's why I do am.
Hey! Bisola. Ah. tó ṣe yìí máa pọ̀. Ha. Sola, don't enter wahala o. Don't enter wahala. Then go investigate this matter, you know.
I beg you, make them investigate. Anywhere where they want investigate, make them investigate. I don't care. I want the person where they snatch person man eye they see.
Which man gone? Who be your man? Anyway, I don't see na clear eye you take do am. So ko toju e ba ri, o ri náà nìyẹn.
Nothing go happen.
And if they ask me wetin I know, I go tell them wetin I know.
Talk wetin you know. I don't care. Talk wetin you know. You know say she get money. Eh? I'm gonna say she get money past me now. That's why they do all this the way they do. Okay.
Sola.
Get out.
The allegations against me are false. First of all, my orphanage home is registered. Secondly, it may interest you to know that officials from the Federal Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs visit my orphanage every month to take records and ascertain the total number of children there. So if you need any other information, please go to the ministry and ask yourself instead of wasting my time here.
Okay. Let's say the first one is false. What about the second?
Which is?
Is it true that you take advantage of poor single male parents?
What?
Promising to take care of their kids, send their kids to school, just so you could date them? Or should I say, sleep with them?
This is bullshit. You know what, detective? This interrogation is pointless.
Is it true?
Of course not. Of course not. It is not true.
Is that so?
Yes.
Okay.
This is unbelievable.
Is he one of your beneficiaries?
How is that? Do I not have the right to be with whomever I choose?
The man in that picture is your gatekeeper.
So?
The picture speaks volume.
Okay. Detective, my private life is not public business. So I will appreciate it if you do not investigate it. Can I go now?
That'll be all for now.
Thank you. Bayo, you've been standing there since morning. If there is something you have to say, just say it. I don't have all day.
Madam, no problem from my own side though. I just say let me come and check whether there's problem on your side, because you know since when all this thing happened, you came back police station and you came back late. I just see whether
there is problem. Isn't it obvious?
Huh? Bisola take me. Bisola don't finish me.
Some persons or group of persons are accusing me falsely. They said children are missing from my orphanage. They equally said that I take advantage of young single men by promising to take care of their children. They took pictures of both of us, Bayo.
Are you going to?
Don't worry. All I just need to do is gather evidence that I'm innocent. That no child is missing from the foundation.
Exactly.
Also, investigations are ongoing. Anyone found culpable will be severely dealt with. They will pay the price. Bayo, please, you can leave. You can leave. I need to focus on what I'm doing.
Okay.
I need space. Yes, please. Just go. The detective told me that you gave them some information about the hoodlums that attacked me. He mentioned one Bisola. Who is she and how do you know about her involvement in this case?
Bisola.
Yes.
Bisola is that girl that you met that day. The one I say for my former yard.
Oh, I remember.
That's Bisola.
How did she get involved in this?
Excuse
me?
It's not just involvement. She's the one gone that planned this thing.
What? Why?
Bisola said she likes me. And that she has been liking me even before my wife died. I don't like her. I don't like her. But because of that now, she jealousy. She went to plan this thing and cause this problem for you. And the moment I found out like this, I just went to tell police straight. Ma, I'm very sorry. I beg, no vex. I know that we have caused you problem now and it's because of me. Please just forgive me.
It's fine.
Please.
It's fine. You didn't do anything, Bayo. It's fine.
Thank you, ma.
And I must appreciate you for telling the police what you told them. It helped with their investigation and I am truly grateful. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, ma. I'll go now.
Bayo?
Ma?
Harmony.
Ma?
Call me Harmony. Bayo, I like you very much.
Jesus.
Relax.
Jesus.
Relax.
Listen with this. What will happen? Hey.
I haven't been this close to any man since after my divorce. I like you very much, Bayo. But it's fine if you do not like me.
I like you too, ma. Harmony.
Harmony. You do?
Yes.
I was just... Are you sure you want this?
I'm very sure.
humanity is awesome. Your type is rare. You are one in a million. You have touched so many lives. You gave hope to the hopeless. You're my lifesaver, hope giver. You're my lifesaver, hope giver. What a selfless woman you are. What could I done without you? You were such an angel, sent from above. Your type is rare. Your sacrifice to humanity is awesome. Your type is rare. You are one in a million. What a selfless woman you are. What could I done without you? You are such an angel, sent from above. Your type is rare. Your sacrifice to humanity is awesome. Your type is rare. You are one in a million. Thank you for your kind heart, a woman of substance. I don't know where to start. I don't know where to start. I have never felt like this before. I met you. You're my lifesaver, hope giver. You're my lifesaver, hope giver. What a selfless woman you are. What could I done without you? You were such an angel, sent from above. Your type is rare. Your sacrifice to humanity is awesome. Your type is rare. You are one in a million. You have touched so many lives. You gave hope to the hopeless. You're my lifesaver, hope giver. You're my lifesaver, hope giver. What a selfless woman.
Jesus!
What's the problem now? What's the problem? Are you okay?
Okay, what the hell is wrong? Harry!
Do you know him? What is your problem? What's your problem?
Oh my goodness, he did all of this to you?
Yes,
And you're
ma.
still going to...
Who is this man to you?
He's my father.
Your daughter and you're beating her
She's
like
my
a
daughter.
slave.
She always disrespects me.
If you disrespect you, is this the best way to correct her by beating her like an animal? Is he your father?
Yes, ma. Ever since my mother died, even before she died, he has been abusing me physically.
Come on, move back. What's the problem?
How old are you?
I'm 14.
And when were you born?
December 20th.
14 years old. Do you know she's a minor? You want to go to prison?
Hurry.
Bayo, this is my ex-husband, the one I told you about. If you come close!
Hey. You need to calm down. You need to calm down.
I'm calm, Bayo. I'm just trying to wrap my head around this whole thing.
You won't be able to focus if you continue like this.
Bayo, Elizabeth was born on the 20th of December 2009.
Okay.
How come she's the same age with our late daughter? Born on the same day, the exact day.
Okay.
Doesn't that tell you anything? That means that Harrison was cheating on me even while we were married.
That's possible, Lord. That's possible. Or it could be that that girl is not his biological daughter. We adopted her.
That's equally possible. But no, that can't be. Did you see the resemblance? She looks exactly like him. There's definitely something off.
Just relax. Just calm down.
Are you same age, born on the same day, looks just like the dad?
Just relax.
I'm good. There's something off.
I know, but please just
Come.
relax.
How come?
Don't worry. Let me get you juice to calm you down. You need to relax.
It's the same day, same age.
Listen, young man, I'm trying to be patient with you, but my patience is running out fast. I will ask you just once. Who is Elizabeth's mother?
Maria. But she's late.
Who was she before she died? I mean, her profession before she died.
She was a nurse.
At what hospital? Answer me! From the information we gathered, late nurse Maria was a midwife at Stella Maris clinic where your ex-wife delivered. She was also on duty on the 20th of December 2009, the same night your ex-wife gave birth. Young man, what are you not telling us? Will you start talking or you want me to use force on you? Hello.
Maybe I should file a lawsuit against him. Probably he will talk in front of the jury or before the judge or before the fierce-looking prison warder who will always be glad to escort him back to prison after every trial. Just then, maybe he'll be ready to talk.
Listen, don't make him take a stand in court. That would just be a waste of time. I will make him talk. Now start talking.
Elizabeth is not Maria's daughter. Oh, she's Harmony's daughter. I was having an affair with Maria while I was still married to Harmony. When Harmony became pregnant, Maria threatened to end the relationship. I pleaded with her to stay. And I also promised that I was going to divorce Harmony. after child's birth. Maria refused. She told me she was not going to be of any use to me after all. I didn't understand what she meant. So when I pressed further, she told me she will not be able to bear children. Due to a health complication that led to hysterectomy.
What does that mean?
The complete removal of her womb. I hated Harmony so much. I hated her that I was even ready to do anything to hurt her. I hated her pride, her ego. I hated the fact that she was becoming famous, that she earned more than me. So I put up a plan. I made her register at Stella Maris Clinic. I had already made plans with Maria that once Harmony puts to bed, that she should switch her baby with a stillborn.
What?
Although we had plan B, eventually we don't get a dead child. But luckily for us, a mad pregnant woman was dumped in front of the public that night. So, Maria delivered the mad woman of her twins, but the little died after the report. To me, it was a prayer answered.
Keep talking, I'm listening.
We left one of the dead babies with the mad woman and switched Elizabeth with the other dead twin.
Bastard! How did Maria die?
She was sick.
She was sick. I will ask you just once. Were you abusing her physically?
No.
Elizabeth told us you were constantly beating her. She told us about your constant argument. For the very last time, young man, what happened to Maria? Stop talking!
Okay, I will tell you. We had a serious argument one evening. She tried to stand in my way, so I cleared her.
How?
She threatened to expose us.
By that, you mean what you did to Harmony?
Yes.
Then what happened after then?
One evening, I returned with 3 packs of food. I poisoned her own. Few minutes later, she started complaining of stomach pain. I waited for the poison to hit deep before taking her to the hospital. But she died upon arrival.
Every child deserves better life. Every child deserves better life. Children are blessings, they are our treasure. Children are gifts, gifts from God. Children are blessings, they are our treasure.
My head hurts.
I'm sorry. So tell me, how did he treat you?
My father maltreated me so badly. Sometimes he would beat me and make me stay outside for the whole night. And when if I make any little mistake, he would stab me for the whole day. It was so bad that sometimes I wonder if he's truly my father. Sometimes he would curse me and tell me he regretted bringing me into this world, and that I was just like my mother, and that he hated me just as he hated her. There was this time he beat me and smashed my face in the wall. I started bleeding. When my mother intervened, he pushed her and hit her with a rod. That night, he had a serious fight. I left them and went outside to attend to my bleeding nose. Mom and Dad fight all the time. The fighting continued until she passed on. A few months after her burial, it stopped me from going to school and exposed me to doing menial jobs like hawking of granuts, sometimes sachet water and mineral.
My daughter, whom I thought was dead, all this while existed somewhere else. And here I was, saving other people's children, when my own daughter was suffering from humiliation and torture. Elizabeth, you're my daughter. I'm your mother. Your father took you away from me when you were born, the very day you were born. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I wasn't a part of your childhood. I'm sorry you didn't get the chance to suck from my breast. Baby, I'm sorry you never had the chance to experience the love from a mother. I'm sorry. I took care of other people's children, catered for all their needs, gave them good quality education. When my own child, my own daughter was being treated like an animal and deprived of her basic rights as a child. Please forgive me. I'm sorry, baby. I'm really sorry. I wish I never met your father. I wish I could make all of this go away. I wish I could turn back the hands of time, baby. I'm sorry and I love you so much. I'm so sorry, my baby. I promise you, I will never allow anyone treat you like that again.
I will be there for you. I will protect you. I'm sorry. I love you so much.
I love you too, mommy.
So much. I can't believe I was here helping other people's children and my own child. I'm sorry.
Thank you for your kind heart, a woman of substance. Don't know where to start. Don't know where to start.
My girl is so smart, just like her mommy. Yeah, almost, baby. Almost. Easy dancer. Yes, now the last one. And the final one is beautiful. That's my girl. Baby. Let's keep going. Alright. So, are you ready for your surprise? Are you sure? Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray.
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray.
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray.
You're welcome. My baby. Happy birthday. Let me help you before you break your gift. I don't know what's inside. Happy birthday, my princess. Thank you. Mommy loves you so much. So very much. And mommy will do everything to make you happy. Thank you so much for coming back into my room. Come here.
I love you.
I love you too, baby. I promise to be the best mother in the whole wide world. Okay? My beautiful princess. You look just like your mom. You have a problem?
No, I just want to say that this joy is not complete yet. Without me appreciating you, you know, you took my boy and my girl.
Of course, they're my babies. Come
Yes.
here, baby. Come here, my love.
And you know, because you know, they're like one family now, but
Yes, we are.
till I officially
Oh my god!
the thing is that you need to go everything that I crammed to tell you. You help me now to see.
Wait, baby, did you know your dad was going to do this? Yeah. Did he tell you? Oh, so now you have secrets.
Anyway, the thing is that I love you.
I love you
I
too.
love you very much, and
Yes. I'm not going to let you stress yourself. Woo! I love you so much. I love you so much. My babies, come.
now arrange yourself
According to your height. Let's go.
Of course.
From above, your type is rare. Your sacrifice to humanity is awesome. Your type is rare. You are one in a million. Your sacrifice to humanity is awesome. Your type is rare.